A very good morning to grade second. Again, we are with chapter 12, Animal Around Us. But today's topic is animals makes our work easy. How? How animals help us to make our work easy? Let's find out. Some animals carry us or are carrying things for us. Yes, we can sit on animals and they carry ourselves, or if we want to put heavy weighted things on them, they carry that also for us. Such animals are called beasts of burden. हम उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? वजन ढोने वाले, या फिर you can say beast of burdens. These kind of animals can help us in a different many kind of type, you can say, like camels help us in deserts. They carry people from one place to another place, because in desert you cannot walk by your own. If you walk on desert on that sand, your legs can kept inside the sand and you can't walk very proper way. So we'll take camels ride to cross the deserts. The very good point of camels, why we are using camels in desert, first they don't need lot of water. As you can see a curd on the back of a camel, आप ऐसे एक पेड़ देखते हैं ना ऊपर उठा हुआ camel के back पे. In that back they collect water itself. When they need water in desert, they collect it from their own body and they can walk easily in the desert. And as well as their palms, जो उनके टांगों के नीचे का हिस्सा होता है, that is very soft and easy to movable in on that sand or desert sand. So we will take camel ride on the desert. They'll take us from one place to another place. As well as they carry things for us. Bulls. Yes, we make bull carts. They carry things one place to another place. We make bull cart. They carry ourselves also from one village to another village. Villages में हमें सारा देखने को मिलता है. Yes. Next we talk about horse. Horse आजकल तो like is a passion to learn horse riding. We all love, and some place we all love to learn about horse riding. Horse can carry for the riding purpose. We can go on horse from one place to another place. As well as in the marriage, in Indian culture marriages, we see horses where the groom sit on horse and they go for the marriage. Next we talk about elephants. In southern India, we'll see a lot of elephants will be there, and they use elephants to take their heavy weighted things from one place to another place. They just take, you can say, heavy trunks of the trees. They cut it down and they वो जो elephants होते हैं वो अपने ट्रंक में अपने सूंड में उसको उठा के एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस लेके जाते हैं. लकड़ियों को बढ़ा तने जो होते हैं पेड़ के उनको. Then we talk about donkeys. ये तो हमने हमेशा से सुना है that donkeys carry things for us from one place to another place. We'll put heavy weighted things on them and they carry it from one place. We can use donkeys or you can say horse on the hilly areas. जो पहाड़ी इलाके होते हैं उन जगहों पे हम इनको यूज करते हैं. As you can go for a तीर्थ यात्रा in India, if you want to go on, you can say Vaishno Devi or Kedarnath, Badrinath, like that. So you need to sit on somewhere. So that is not a, you can say horse will be there, but not donkeys. Donkeys are using to carry things from on the hill stations. वो उस जगह पे यूज करते हैं जहाँ गाड़ियाँ नहीं पहुँच पाती हैं. But there is a mole also, खच्चर जिनको हम बोलते हैं. That is not a horse, that is not a donkey, but a mixture of both of them. They use them for carrying yourself from one place to another place for the Tirth Yatra as well in India. By this, I will take you one more thing, how we can, you can say, how we handle these kind of animals. हमें इनके साथ कैसा बर्ताव करना चाहिए. Now here we talk about how to take care of these kind of animals who help us in our work, or how to treat them. We should be kind and gentle to animals. We should always be kind and gentle with animals. Whether they are our pets, can say on our farm, or we can use them in a different kind of work as well. We always take care that we should be kind and gentle with them. We should give them good food. हमें उन्हें अच्छा खाना देना चाहिए, clean water, साफ पानी देना चाहिए, as well as a safe shelter. See, if we use animal for our work, we should be selfish. How? If we cannot treat our animal in a proper way, we cannot give them a good food, we cannot give them a good water, clean water, or give them a safe shelter, what will happen? They become sick, or they will die. So what will happen? We have to purchase another one, and that is too expensive. So for that, to avoid all these things, just take care of that animal you have now. Whether it is your pet animal, whether you are using it on your farm, or you can use them for their other works as well, just take this thing in your mind that give them good food, में अच्छा खाना दो, whatever they are eating, give them food. Clean water, जैसे आप साफ पानी पीना पसंद करते हैं, RO water पीना पसंद करते हैं, give them also a clean water. Give them a safe shelter. As you need a clean house, safe shelter for yourself, give them as well. We should take sick animals to a veterinary doctor. What is the meaning of veterinary doctor? See, for all of us, for eyes, we have eye specialists. For teeth, we have dentists. For bones, we have, you can say, different kind of doctor. हर तरह के डॉक्टर्स अलग अलग होते हैं ना. For all of us, when we become sick, we go to doctor and they treat us. ऐसे ही animals के लिए, sick animals को दिखाने के लिए डॉक्टर्स होते हैं veterinary doctor. A veterinary doctor treats animals. There is a specialist doctor. See, be a kind person, be a gentle person. If you are staying and you can see in your neighbor there is an animal like a street dog or a cat or any other animal that is ill, वो बीमार है या फिर वो injured है, उसे कहीं चोट लग गई है, बहुत ज़्यादा उसको bleeding हो रहा है, at that time please just show your humanity towards them. अपनी इंसानियत दिखाइए. Take them to a veterinary doctor, treat them well, and just leave them. उसके बाद आप उन्हें छोड़ दीजिए. What will get you? आपको उसके बदले में क्या मिलेगा? You feel good. You feel safe. Maybe animals never keep any burden on themselves. They always return it to you in some kind of way. If you are helping animals, they will help you. So if you see any animal near to you is injured or sick, take them to the veterinary hospital or veterinary doctor, show them to the doctor and then treat them. Please do that. And always be kind and gentle with the animals. I hope you all enjoy this chapter. By this I end up today's topic as well as this chapter, Animal Around Us. So thank you so much, students.